Today we're making Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and today we're making pesto sauce two different ways. We're gonna make it over zucchini noodles for you low carb, healthy, keto vegans, and we'll be making it over brown rice pasta for everybody else. Let's get started. Let's start off with our zucchini. You can get this from pretty much anywhere. This is the Veggetti vegetable spiralizer. This is how you make your noodles. There are much fancier versions available on the market, but I bought this about 2 years ago. It was 15 bucks and I just haven't found a need to upgrade. I'm gonna leave these on the paper towel to sweat out. I'm not gonna add salt because I'm actually gonna eat these raw. But if you would like to cook them, just add a little salt and then toss them on the stove with a little bit of olive oil. Now it's time to make our sauce. To your blender, of course, you're gonna add some basil. This is 2.5 ounces. Got this from Trader Joe's. All right, so this is 1 pack cup. All right, so 2 pack cups of basil. Juice of 1 whole lemon, 1/3 a cup of pine nuts, 1 teaspoon garlic, 1/4 of cup olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup nutritional yeast. Now let's blend. Look how green and pretty she is. Oh, I'm an adult. Let's give her a taste, see if anything needs to be added. So the lemon taste is really strong in my opinion, so I'm gonna add another 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. Okay guys, I know what I did wrong. I forgot when using pink Himalayan salt, you don't use as much. I switched back and forth and my brain did not compute. So this is a little salty. Do better. You know the old rule is you can always add more salt, but you cannot take it out. I'm gonna keep trying to adjust the recipe, but that's the problem, not the lemon. It was the salt. All right, in hopes of salvage, let's add another 1/4 cup of pine nuts. All right, for everyone keeping it raw and or low carb, let's take our zoodles and add in some sauce. Let's transfer to the bowl and garnish with tomatoes. I'm gonna try to do the fancy swirl thing all the chefs be doing. Okay, uh-oh, how you unswirl it? Okay. Y'all, we fancy. Look how fancy we are. We so fancy. All right, now let's garnish with some cherry tomatoes. Keeping it raw, y'all, keeping it raw. Okay, you can't tell me that's not from a 5-star restaurant right there. All right, for the ones who want theirs cooked, I already have the brown rice pasta here, but let's go ahead and char some tomatoes. Now let's toss this pasta. Same procedure, let's get our swirl on. Ooh, this one harder to swirl. Ooh, just don't swirl like a zucchini swirl. I ain't even gonna try to swirl it no more. Yeah, you do what you wanna do, that's fine. Adding our tomatoes. All right guys, here is both of our dishes. Dishes, is that a word? Yeah, that's a word, yeah, that's a word. Now of course, portion size, I didn't mean to make the cooked plate so much bigger than the raw one. It just worked out like that. I'm not saying healthy people eat this much.
Who am I kidding? Yeah, I am.
All right, let's start off with our raw zucchini. So excited. It really tastes like cheese in here, guys. It's so good. As you already know, it's a little salty. I don't know if I would reach for this if I was starving, but definitely like in between meals as like a hearty snack. Oh, so good. Now for the carbs. This is what I don't need to be eating. But you gotta love stuff that's green. Doesn't it make you feel better about yourself?
Listen, they're both good, okay? But carbs.
We just put these together. If I could eat like this and feel hearty like this, I'd be a skinny vegan. As always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I won't do that again. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time.